just got back from school in my hair like I just been sacked from a water park. But no, it decides to absolutely chuck it down at the end of the day when I'm walking to my bus. And now, as I'm trying to make a video of the stupid room, it stops. English weather makes the flipping biscuit. What? Oh! Oh, that hurt my leg. Right, for God's sake, man. I actually give up on my hair now. Now it's wet, I give up on it. Look, it's just... Yes, I know I need to do my routine every time.
Could have given. I was a few cheap shots away from the end of me.
Okay, that hurt more than it intended to hurt.
Did most everything that I would have died for just yesterday.
All sunny and nice. And now, it's like pissing it down. Like literally throwing it down. Like, can you believe this? Can you believe it? Earlier, this rain, what? Huh?
Whoa, but what a waste it would have been.